Hello, chaps, and how's it going, Awesome Boss Nation? It's the Awesomest, it's the Bossomest, it's Awesomest Boss here. And, actually, if you could not understand what I just said, that is because I was, as a matter of fact, speaking in British. And today I am doing a video tutorial on how you can learn to speak British, as well as me. So just some important facts for you to learn, and like they can kind of help you to learn just some background on British people, so you can get into the mindset of a British person when you are speaking in British. The only ever famous British person is Jack Sparrow from Pirates of the Caribbean movies. British people, they don't brush their teeth, and also almost all of their language they stole it from English. If you listen very closely, you should be able to tell that. But you know what? Imitation is the best form of flattery, so really, it's Americans who are winning in that sense. So here's just how to speak it. They don't know how to pronounce their H or R or TH. Their H, they kind of just don't use it at all. Their R, they pronounce it how a little kid would pronounce it. And then their TH, they pronounce it with a V sound. So how you would say hi there, friend, translated is what you would say, hello there, friend. And yeah, so that's how you say that in British. And onto our very final tidbit of how to speak British. They replace random words with random sounds. So then it sounds like just really random. It sounds like they're speaking nonsense. And they say stuff like, oh, I went down to get me some biddly bits, but a blimey wanker snake go right on up to my snuff. And yeah, it sounds pretty stupid, but you know, British people, whatever. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe,